Hello student, myself MD Hashimur Jaman from Civil Engineering Department and your DSS class teacher. I hope you and your family is well and good in this lockdown condition. Before classes, before lecture, we discuss about our beam design. We divided this math in two parts. Part 1 discuss in our previous class. Today we discuss about our part 2. So in before class we identify that what type of classified as plastic. It means that the section is plastic or semi-plastic or different type. So today we discuss about our part 2. In part 2, first is that the shear capacity of the section. So shear capacity section formula is that Vd equal to Fy root 3 1 gamma m0 h tw. So putting this value that is 250 root 3 1 gamma m0 is the 1.1 and 300 into 7.5. so ultimately we get this value and we change the unit and ultimately we get 295.235 kilonewton. So section is adequate to resist shear. So the formula of shear, that is the 0.6 Vd. So we putting the value of Vd, that is the 295.23, and ultimately we get this value 177.145 kilonewton. So the Vd, so V greater than 0.6 Vd, so the moment capacity of the section, since V greater than 0.6 Vd and the sections belongs plastic category. So we find out the mdv, and this is our known formula, and after this formula we calculate that and we getting this value. So m suffix d is that is 148.120 into 10 to the 6. So we find the beta equal to 2v Vd minus 1 that is square, and putting this value, that is the 2 V is that is, and Vd value is minus 1, that's square, and we get this value. So since it is double symmetrical section, FCR may be obtained from table 14 of our code IS 456. So KLR equal to KL value is a 1500 and R is a 28.4. So ultimately we get that 52.8, and HF by TF. So HF is a 293.8 and TF equal to 12.4. So so we divided that and getting this value, that is a 23.67. 23.67. So referring of table 14 of code IS 800, by double interpolation we get that FCR is the 888.2. So from table 13.a of our code, there is a FCD. Putting the value and getting the FCD is the 204.77. Now MFD is that FCD into A. So FCD is that is, and A is that is. So we get our value, that is the 1.15204 into 10 to the 6 mm. So MDV, ultimately we get that MDV is that 14077 into 10 to the 6 Newton mm. So that is greater than, so MBD greater than 135.90. so it is okay. Now maximum deflection corresponding to working load, that is a delta equal to WL square 48 EI. So 48 EI, so W is that is 360 into 10 to the 3 150 the cube, and 48 putting the value of E and putting the value of I. So we get that 1.68 mm less than 1500 by 300. Hence section is adequate. So we use ISMB 300 as a beam. So we use ISMB 300 as a beam. Okay, thank you.